Okay. Hey guys, welcome back again to Mars Lady. So we are here for the celebrating for
We can eat
my
donuts.
daughter for 9 years old
And we
birthday.
had 5 years old.
And first of all, we want to make skating. So they love to skate. So guys,
This is the first time of Prince.
celebrate. Please celebrate with us for the skating and by watching.
Very fun.
And they said they are fun it here and
Baba.
skating and friends how do it is look like walking.
Because I need to go slow, so I didn't fall down.
Oh, you don't fall down?
I need to walk first because so I didn't fall down.
Okay. So
No!
now for 9 years old and you sing for ate. Sing for ate.
Ate!
Happy birthday
Birthday
to Happy birthday. What is that? Make it nice. Supposed to be nice for singing happy birthday. So while they are playing skating, ayan po, at nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga taong na bumati sa kanya. Maraming salamat po lalo ngayon. Nagbigay sa kanya ng regalo. And maraming salamat po sa binigay niyo po sa kanya. Ayan. At maraming salamat po sa nag-join sa birthday niya. Ayan po, wala akong masasabi. So, thank you so much sa mga support, sa lahat na nag-support sa amin. Thank you guys. Ayan po si Pogi Cat Friends is always walking on what? Nasa isa. Ha? Why you sad? See how doing that also. You're amazing. You did amazing. Look you now.
I'm just looking at my feet because I love skating.
You have to slide forward. Look at the girl.
Mommy, that's mine now.
You should remove that one wheel so that you can balance. Practice to balance yourself. Anyway, ayan po ang guys. So, sa susunod ulit, sana magaling din sila mag-skate. Ayan po. I will drink.
My back is
it will dry.
No.
Yes, it will dry soon.
Well, he cannot drive. Why he can drive? Yeah, yeah. They'll play.
Come on, sing happy birthday. Come on. Come on.
Oh, baby.
Come on.
Oh.
Magulo tong ano eh.
Oh.
Pogi ka, Prince.
Yo. Oh.
Swerte naman guys sa ano. Kasi wala pong ibang tata kundi sila lang. Kaya walang pupunta sa kanila. Kung meron yung mga bago siguro mahirap. Babanggaan ko sila. Kaya at least ngayon, ayan po. So, mahaba-haba naman ang ano nila dito sa paglalaro nila ng skating. Mahigit ata ng 2 hours. Kasi usually 1 hour lang ang entry. Pero pinagbigyan si birthday girl. Kaya naging 2 hours ang laro. So ngayon, nandito po sila na parang sumasakay sila sa roller coaster. Then going down, up and down like that. How did you feel on this? It looked like you are in the roller coaster.
I don't feel anything. I just like.
So why look at you? You are looking behind. Oh look.
I want to see behind.
Oh look.
I want to see behind. And I see people behind.
See. You look like what is that? You are looking like that. It's only there.
But I see people behind me.
See it like this, oh, like you are riding on this roller coaster, right?
So that was real? They just recorded?
It's recorded and it's 3D. So look, you are riding in the bike. Ayan, si Pogi ka, Prince. Ayan po guys, nag-enjoy po sila sa riding. Tapos nandun po sila sa after that, kainan ng ayan. So, nandyan po kami sa riding. Sumakay din ako kasi walang escort yung isa. So, nandito po kami sa may hole ng parang Italy style or ewan sa Europe pala. So, nandito po kami. Nag-blow ng cake dito sa Texas si birthday girl. Pasensya po kasi naka-mute ito. Hindi ko alam anong nangyari sa recorder ko. Kaya hindi na-record yung pagkanta nila at the wishes. And thank you so much for watching again. Thank you guys. Enjoy for watching. Ayan ang birthday girl for donut. Nanda ko lang ang donut para makapag-blow lang candle. So, happy 9 years old. So, abangan na lang po ang mga susunod ng video. And thank you so much for all the support, guys. Ayan, thank you so much. and the green salad and vegetable salad and potato, a big french fries, so yummy, and mac and cheese and steak
And lemonade.
and lemonade to drink. So guys, thank you and happy birthday again, Yuna Maris, and more blessed and good health, and thank you. Yan, thank you again, thank you. Ayan. Basta nandito po ako, at least nandito po ako, nag-support po sa Yuna Maris. So keep it up, and
You'll be stronger. Why?
kahit anong everything I will support para sa ikakabuti mo. Ayan po. Sa lumaki ka ng good girl. Ayan po. Huwag kalimutan lang na magdasal, and don't forget, always pray to God. Thank you guys.